everybody, welcome.
Hello.
We are at Value Village, and neither of us have been in here before.
We have not.
So let's check this out.
I wonder if it's like a Goodwill. I wonder if it's like a Salvation Army, or is this more like a Marshall's? I guess we're gonna figure it out.
Could be like a Savers. Who knows? Let's see.
You need bags?
I got them.
$69.99.
Oh wow.
How are the prices?
They're looking like pretty high for a thrift store so far. Like
Yeah.
$70 for leather jackets, $20 for jerseys. I don't know. We'll see.
There has to be something in this overpriced store that we can make money on. We just have to find it. That's a really cool. That's a really cool quilt.
$12.99.
That's affordable.
Let's see if there's any tags on sale today or something.
Hey, so anyway, look, I found some disposable male, looks like diapers for your doggies. This is absolutely stunning for $7.99. It is vintage. It has lace detail on it. It has a tie in the back, so it looks so pretty. And the size, it's not teeny tiny, which vintage usually is. So this is a big score for me. I'm excited about this one. We're being really selective about what we're buying. Prices are going up and we can't afford to just throw money away.
Another one?
Yeah. This is Barbizon, and this is so pretty in this lilac purple, and it has such nice lace work around the front. How much do they want for it? $4.99.
What are they saying?
Hi, baby, what'd you find? Oh, what's that?
Richard Simmons.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, look what I found. Some more of these bath sponges. Remember?
Oh yeah. You
We sold them
those
so fast.
Yeah, nice. Good.
I found a vintage, looks like another fanny pack, which we love.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that brand.
That's cool. And then there's this one that says JBL on it, which I thought was kind of cool.
Very
if
cool.
somebody likes that JBL. So
I love JBL.
I know you do, baby. That's why I picked it up.
Cool.
75% off for the vintage fanny pack, and then 25% off the JBL, which is awesome because that's only $4.99. We're finding a way to make money in a store that is kind of overpriced, right? Yay for us. Yeah, that's cool. What's Therabody? Oh, by United Airlines. Interesting.
There we go. $75%. Put these on tonight. Let's go.
What is that?
Some 65% polyester vintage pajamas.
Oh God, that sounds terrible.
Yeah, for like $7.99, 75% off. So
Woo! Well, I like them better, but they don't sound so comfortable. $34.99.
so it would be 17 today, but not worth it.
I don't think so. I think the only thing that makes me think it's not real. Feel these.
Feels
kind
almost
of fake.
fake leather.
Yeah. So I say, no gracias. 25% off $4.99. I'm definitely gonna get that for sure.
That's cool.
75% off $4.99. That's a keeper. 25% off $4.99. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I didn't overdo it.
And more pajamas right here.
Jammies, great. And you got a puzzle, and we got some other things. Okay, cool.
$2.69. $7.99.
We really had to dig to find some good things to flip for a profit, but
We managed to do it.
yeah, we found some really good nightgowns. Oh my god.
Yeah, oh my gosh, vintage nightgowns galore. Oh, look what I found. More of these smoke-colored things that we found, remember?
Oh my.
And these are the matchers, and they're 50% off.
Really? Let's see.